From Nasik, we traveled with adventure in sight, through winding roads bathed in golden light. With each passing mile, new wonders we found, the call of the wind, an enchanting sound. कॅश लक्षात
नाही नाही अलगद बसली पण हे याने जास्त ड्रामा केला.
New faces at first, a group unknown. By the camping day, our friendship had grown. With hearts united, we stood side by side, celebrating together with pride and stride.
हाय.
The lake welcomed us with its tranquil grace, and friendships bloomed in this magical space. Shruti and Madhur made tempting bhel, a flavor of joy we could never forget. आयुर्वेदिक पाणीपुरी आहे का? आयुर्वेदिक पाणीपुरी म्हणजे ना जोमला We laughed, we जोमला cooked, स्टिक we वाली. played cards till late, each moment together sealed by fate. Under the stars, with hearts so free, our friends became an extended family. We came from cities wide and far, one shared passion like a shining star. From strangers to friends, our bond grew strong. By Republic Day, we sang as one song. Side by side, our voices did ring, singing the anthem, proud hearts did sing. Next day, I made missile for everyone with the lovely lady's help under the sun. Spices and flavors, a taste to savor. Together we shared this delicious flavor. And Sahil Bhai's chopping helped a lot, creating a meal that hit the spot. The Handesar setup and wisdom so vast, sharing knowledge, treasures that last. Together we worked with laughter afloat, with friends by our side, we inflated the boat. Into the water we paddled with glee, splashes and smiles, pure harmony. The lake come alive with our playful cheer. Moments like this we will always hold dear. With every ripple, the bond grew stronger. Dream caravan made full family forever. Boats on the water, stories by the fire, every second a memory to inspire.
इधर बोली लग गया आप ज्यादा बोली लगाओ इथे इथे बिडिंग झाली आहे
दाढीवाली मरमेड आली
ओके व्हिडिओ स्टार्टिंग एकट्याला जमणार का 1 2 3 गो व्हिडिओ स्टार्टेड
कैसा दिया
आम्हाला 2 ओला आलू पाहिजे
होला
2 ओला आलू पाहिजे ओला ओला हो 2च पाहिजे
कैसा दिया
ये नया है मार्केट में नया है
कैसा दिया
ऑपरेशन का वास्तुशास्त्र बताएंगे जैसी तो पट जाती है फिर दुर्घटना घट जाती है उसी कहानी कभी कहीं मिल जाए दिल तो कहीं फिर दिल ना लगे
In the glow of the fire, we sing and play. The night comes alive in a magical way. A tradition we hold so joyful and bright. Antakshari keeps the spirit alight.
राईटला जाऊन मग
मी असं म्हणत होतो ज्या गाड्यांना कमी ताकद आहे ना त्यांनी त्या पहिल्या स्टेपला यायचं पहिल्या एक जोर लावून मग तिथे वळवून घ्यायची तिथून परत वर यायचं म्हणजे थोडं
हा समजलं मला पण मग ही आली झुपकन वर
त्या बात आहे एक नंबर
We said goodbye, but not for too long. For soon we will reunite where we all belong. Dream Caravan's journey, a bond that won't fade. In our hearts, these memories are forever made.